There are some symbols used in the equation. First is S. S brings the meaning of solid. Second, L. L brings the meaning of liquid. Next is G. G means gas. And last one is AQ, means aqueous. The difference between liquid and aqueous are: liquid is the molten state of any substance, and aqueous state means the substance dissolved in water. From the equation, we can see that zinc is solid state. Hydrochloric acid is in aqueous state. Zinc chloride is in aqueous state, and hydrogen is in gaseous state. To interpret the chemical equation, we can define them in qualitative and quantitative interpretation. In the qualitative interpretation, the reactants are solid zinc and hydrochloric acid, and the products are zinc chloride solution and hydrogen gas. In quantitative, we can look at their coefficient. If there is no number in front of the substance, the mean is 1. 1 means 1 mole. If there is coefficient in front of the substance, that number brings the meaning of the number of moles of that substance in the equation. To interpret this equation, we can say that 1 mole of zinc reacts with 2 mole of hydrochloric acid to produce 1 mole of zinc chloride and 1 mole of hydrogen. Now we can look at the exercise. To write the chemical equation, we need to know the formula of the substance. This one you can refer to the chemical formula in our previous lesson. For number 1, copper 2 carbonate. Copper 2 carbonate is made up of copper 2 ion and carbonic ion. Copper 2 ion is Cu2+. Carbonic ion is Cu3 2-. So once they form the compound, the formula will become CuCO3. The formula of copper 2 oxide is CuO. It's made up of copper 2 ion and oxide ion. Carbon dioxide, the formula is CO2. Once we write down all the chemical formula, we can compare the number of atoms of each side. For the left-hand side, we have 1 copper, 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen. For the right-hand side, there is 1 copper, 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen too. So, the equation is balanced and we no need to add any numbers to the equation. For the second equation, ammonia, the formula is NH3. Hydrogen chloride, the formula is HCl. And the ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. So when we write the equation, we can write NH3 plus HCl produce NH4Cl. And for the number 3, number 4, and the next question, you can just try, and I want to check your book when we open school later.